In this video we'll show how to take this straight-on view that we've got and apply it to a 3D perspective. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll take the original and we'll just make a copy of it. Hold down Control if you want to and right click as you drag. Let go of the right click and the left click and that'll make a copy. We should also group that together with Control G, so now it's grouped. Now we need to bring in our 3D perspective drawing. So if we just hit O on the keyboard, that brings up open by number, and then we type in SS3D, which is for single slant 3D, and check the import button. We'll just import that into our design. So now that we've got that imported, we'll take the one that we want to apply the perspective to. Oh, first we have to ungroup this, sorry. So we click on that and say ungroup objects. And then we can take this one and say effects, copy effect, perspective from, and then click on the face of the slant there so that we can get that same perspective. We'll shift select that slant, hit E and C so that it centers over the top of that. I'm going to go to wireframe hitting view so that I can see that again. I forgot that I should hit shift page up to bring it to the front. Had I imported the slant before I made my copy, we wouldn't have had to do that. But anyway, we can now take the same thing, drag and just right click again to make a copy, and then hit E and C holding down shift while selecting that as well. So now that we've got those, we can apply Granite Fills. So let's say we want this one to be gray, and we want this one over here to be red. Since it's all polished, we can zoom in and see how those look. So the one thing with perspective is I don't have Granite Fills yet working with it totally right. So this is how you get it. If you just click on it, if you want to edit that a bit, you can click on the face of it and say interactive fill tool, and that way we can change the skew here to better fit the skew of our design. I do not have this working yet for the Granite Fills to know the skew, so you have to do that if you want it to look better. But other than that, it's really not that bad to get it to look pretty good. If you don't have the SS3D design, which you don't because I just created it, you can hold down Control when you click on the open by number. That will open up open by control number, and then you type in SS3D there and hit import. It'll say, we can't find this design on your computer. Would you like to try Memorial Designer online? And you say yes, and it will go and download that from my server. So I hope you enjoy.